guys who follow me on Instagram know, about 6 weeks ago, a little organization called We Create Cool Things made this. And look, here it is on the Rhino cart behind me. I am dying to see what this looks like in person. So let's get this box opened up. Oh man, look at that. Oh wow. The dust knocked off, plugged in, and lit up, and man, is it ever awesome. Look how dimensional it is. Check that out. And look over here. This is actually wood that Josh patinaed up to look like rusted metal. Wow. This bit here looks like neon tube, LED. The whole sign is LED. His company is Innovative Integrations. We create cool things on Instagram, and do they ever? Oh man, gotta get this up on the wall. Now, I knew this thing was gonna be awesome, so the last couple of videos, I've been paying attention to where the camera's pointed. There's the table I work at, and when you flip the camera around this way, whoop, that's what's usually in the background, that blank wall. Well, that is where we're gonna put this sign. Then we're gonna wire it into the lighting up above here. That way when you flip the switches on in the HoC, boom. The sign illuminates with everything else. It's gonna be awesome. Let's get started. All right, so I've spent some time figuring out exactly where I want this on the wall here, and I got a quick chop tip for you guys. You need to find one of these studs. You don't have a stud finder, but you do have a strong magnet. This is all you're gonna need. Run it around on the drywall. It will find the head of the screw or the nail behind the wall and let you know where the stud is. We got one there, and there's one somewhere over here, and there's the other one right there. So this is the one we're gonna pick up on, and that's an easy way to find the studs in the wall. All right, the next part of this involves the sign itself, and on the back side of this, here's this setup. Really, really cool. It's got these pins that sit on it, and the pins mount on these cups. The cups mount to the wall, and then basically what'll happen is we're just gonna walk up to the wall and push the sign on, and these cups will just snap right in place. Now, if I was sitting here watching this video, I'd be thinking, how is he gonna get those 5 cups, which seem to be somewhat randomly positioned on the back of that sign, up on the wall where they belong? For that, we use the Dinosaur Method. Grease. We're just about ready to mount the sign over here, but before we do, we need to cover one more thing. We gotta adapt this ugly cable that comes out of the transformer to this. Check this out. This is some sweet cloth cover cable I got from creativecables.com. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description just because they make awesome stuff. I'm definitely not sponsored by them, but this is what we wanna be looking at, not this. So we're gonna adapt this to this, and then this sucker gonna run up the wall. Take that. wires through from the sign. I got the power cut off so we can make the connections. And I'll tell you this, I think everything that happens from this point on ought to keep the comment section pretty lively. Looks good, but I'm going to throw the power back on and see if it throws sparks. Check it out, it worked. I don't have sparks raining down on me. I know, I'm somewhat shocked too. And check this out. Now I flip the switch over here above my head, and boom, the sign goes out independently from the shop lights. Gotta know I'm loving that. If I ever need to sign out for any reason, I have a switch for that too, so actually worked out. Well, there it is, up on the wall and all lit up. And guys, you gotta know, I am loving this by far. One of the coolest things that ever walked through the door of the HoC. So Josh at Innovative Integrations, thank you so much. Guys, check him out on Instagram. It's We Create Cool Things, and he's got way too few followers for the amount of awesome he's turning out. So go give him a follow over there. I'm gonna put a link down in the description for his webpage. Go check him out there too, because he's doing some work for some companies that just might blow your mind. And really quickly, I just wanted to mention Creative Cables again. Not sponsored by them, but if you have need for cloth-covered wire, maybe making some cool lamps, that sort of thing, they have an amazing selection, fair prices. I'll put a link down in the description for them too. Just go give them a look. They're nice people. I had a conversation with them. Good folks. And on that note, I am definitely done for tonight. So subscribe, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up. But definitely check out some of my other videos. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments section. So if you head down there, leave me a few words. Let me know what's going on, guys. Hope you're safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Beautiful chap.